And there, you know how Agent Locator has the ability to say that they like the property more than 3 times.
Yeah.
As you guys know, I have that email. I just simply call it liked 3 times. So I'm always sending it out. I cannot stress enough, Crystal. Again, I say this every time we're on, how many people I get in the car, even by my drip. That's always a staple, but me just sending that out when I'm watching YouTube or whatever. It is a phenomenal way to just simply say to your person, hey, Kathy, you know, I happen to notice that you really liked 123 Main Street. I think the email that I have says, this is actually a really good property. Maybe we should take a look at it. And they reply back and go, yeah, I want to see it. Right?
Yeah.
So it's mind-boggling. I was telling one of our owners this morning about it, and I just said it's a no-brainer, you know, to just go that little bit extra.
Yeah.
Right?
No, exactly. It's it's working for your business, like to gain your business, right? So we can't sit back all the time. Like, you know, your drip campaign is there so you can kind of sit back, but we actually also have to be proactive in the process as well, right? Yeah. So those alerts that they like a listing or they viewed it multiple times, take advantage of those. Leverage it, right? There's a reason why they do that, or why they're going back and looking at that property more than twice or 3 times. And there's a reason why they liked it, right? So, and typically people that are liking listings, I would say, I'm like, I can't be 100% confident, but kind of thinking of like myself and how if I'm looking at properties, I'm not going to go onto a website and start liking properties that I have no interest in maybe pursuing sometime soon.
Yeah.
Right. It's like, it would be pointless. Like, why am I liking this property if I'm like, I'm not even moving? But so I find that if you're noticing that behavior, you've likely got somebody they're that much closer to the process or ready to start going looking at homes. So you should definitely jump on it.
Right. And the beautiful thing about it is, you know, if they do want to go out and take a look at it, you know, before the act changes, you know, clearly we're going to have to ask them which do they fall under.
Yeah.
But I just love the opportunity to start to create that one-on-one connection. So for any of you that might not already have kind of something written up, remember the reason that we get these notifications from Agent Locator is to help us have a warmer reason to reach out to them. So we don't just want to not look at those notifications because they're there for a really good reason. They're there to help us connect with this warm lead. And it does fall on you guys, just like it fell on me. Okay, Agent Locator's now given me an option where they're telling me somebody's liked a property 3 times. When I first started with Agent Locator, they didn't have any of that. So now I want to take advantage of it because now I have a little bit more ammo to go back with.
Yeah.